Hey girl, hey.
We are at the gun range.
Gun range. Ow.
This is our first vlog episode.
Period.
Lifestyle content. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. It's lit. Pew pew.
All right, y'all. So today we're at the range 702. It's off of Dean Martin and Russell. So if you're ever in Las Vegas, come check it out. Let's head in, y'all.
Gang gang in this bitch.
So we got some family with us. Grandpa, uncle, son. And you already know baby's with us.
You ever shoot a gun before?
Yes, I have. I'm a little game maker for real.
All right, guys. So we are doing the check-in process now. Got to check our IDs and all that good stuff. I'm just looking around, seeing what they got here.
So they had us filling out all this paperwork, but I guess it's for safety or whatever. Wanted to know our address and all that good stuff.
Okay. Other people shooting. Got our safety glasses. Period. God damn, 14. Why does it put holes so many?
Yeah, we have to wait. Quick rules, right? Just so we can stay here and so I can do my thing, alright? At any point, your muzzle will always be downrange, right? There's no reason for you to turn around with that weapon. That firearm will stay downrange at all times, right? When you put the firearms outside of your cases, out of your bags or whatever it is, it will always be at that firing line. So only if you install. We got these here. Do not take the firearm out that only at the ones that you're out at. Alright? If you have any questions at any point, don't be afraid to come out and ask me. But again, just keep it safe. If I see anything unsafe, I will have to let you know. I will have to kick you out, right? So don't make me. I really don't want to do that. But have fun. Just have a good time.
Thank you.
I'm a good range, y'all. I'm a good shot, but they don't know. You see that one?
You got it. Go, girl, go.
You got it.
I can't shoot it.
You got it.
Go, Fred.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We was fucking them little targets up. They ain't have not one chance.
right, y'all. See, I got a shell in my glasses, a little red mark. So we are done. We are done. We're just waiting for the rest of them to come out. Show them how you did.
I was trigger happy.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't play with me.
All right, y'all. So we had fun, but it was short-lived.
Womp, womp, womp. But we had fun.
Well,
I got to relieve some anger. Went up here.